A warm welcome on behalf of ACM to all the participants of womENcourage 2020. It is my pleasure and honor to address a few words to you on behalf of this opening session. I would like to say that I truly regret that we have not been able to meet in person. But on the other hand, who, if not we, as a computing society, should be able to overcome those technical borders and have a challenging and enlightening meeting, even if it's mainly held this time online. I'm dedicated to ACM for many, many years. It was one of the starting points in my career that I joined, and since then I have never regretted this decision. We are a great community, and I think that ACM has also contributed a lot towards the visibility of women in computing, including this kind of conference series. I may say so because I was able to host one of those conferences on my own, something like 4 years ago in 2016 in Linz, in my home university. And it was a great pleasure to see and meet some of those great people at that time. We had a similar program that is planned for today. We had keynote sessions, networking sessions, a hackathon, and it was really a fascinating experience. I can also show you evidence that it is rewardful to engage in the academic society, because if you do something for ACM, also ACM does something for you, and the least that you would get would be such a nice kind of certificate in recognition of your services to ACM. So I truly encourage you to continue becoming active in this community. It's a very lively community, and although at this time our discussions are only virtual, I'm sure that you will be able to use the opportunity to network, to learn about the work of new colleagues, but also to network in a private level, to even make friends. And I can say that from my cooperation within womENcourage, long-term friendships and relationships have been established. I wish you the same for participating in this conference, and I wish you also success to your future career, and have a great event. Thank you very much.